Vegetable fried rice, which is enjoyed by everyone, right? So, guys, hello everyone. This is Kajal, and welcome to Kajal's Zaika. Today, I'm gonna make perfect street style vegetable fried rice recipe, and here I'm using a beautiful combination of vegetables, and it's just a perfect lunchbox recipe. So, without wasting time, let's get started.
First of all, I'm gonna cook rice. Here I have washed a glass of full basmati rice. Now take a container and boil some water. Once it comes to a boil, add the washed rice. After stirring it well, add half teaspoon of salt. Now cook the rice till it's 3/4 done. Cook it for 10 minutes on full flame. It's about 90% cooked. Now I'm gonna strain it and keep the rice aside. Now for making fried rice, take a wok or white kadhai, add 2-3 spoons of oil. Here I have used olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Here are some vegetables which are going to be used. Some shredded cabbage, chopped spring onions, chopped onion, chopped capsicum and chopped carrot, and 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste. When oil starts heating up, add 1 teaspoon of asafoetida or hing, then ginger garlic paste. Saute it well. Guys, make sure the flame is on medium high throughout the cooking process. Now I'm gonna add chopped onions. Mix it well. Now adding all my vegetables, finely chopped capsicum, carrots, some shredded cabbage. Now I'm adding spring onions. Some spring onions I will be used in garnishing. So mix it well. Make sure guys, the whole process should be done on medium to high flame. Guys, after saute it for 2 to 3 minutes, I will add 2 teaspoons of salt. It's all up to your taste guys. Now I'm adding half teaspoon of red chili flakes. Now mix it well. So guys, it took 3 to 4 minutes to cook the vegetables. Make sure don't overcook the vegetables. After cooking it for 4 minutes, I'm gonna add half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Guys, definitely add this because it will enhance your taste. Now here I'm having this Ching's secret Szechuan chutney or sauce. I'm gonna add this 1 tablespoon. Guys, if you don't have this in your kitchen, you can skip this part because I just love it personally, so I'm adding this. 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. Now mix it well. After mixing it, next add the cooked rice and mix all things together. After mixing it, I'm gonna add 1 or 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Guys, must add this ingredient. Actually, this will give the rice beautiful color and flavor. Now mix it well. At last, sprinkle some spring onions and coriander leaves, so our perfect street style vegetable fried rice is now ready to be served. How's it looking, guys? It's looking delicious, right? So guys, for such kind of recipes, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon also, so that my new videos will get notified on your screen. Bye bye and take care.